guys, my name is Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start today's training video without having the further delay. So this video is about to go into the routine of 13th August 2024 of the day 250. So guys, finally we have reached our one of the another goals, that is day 250 we have completed today, and it's really a very good moment for me because I know that when I started from the day 1 and I've reached to the day 250, it's literally fantastic guys. I can't imagine that I reached by continuously day by day continuously shooting the video without skipping the any day. I've completed this. Yeah, I know that sometimes I skipped some days routine video just because of my busy routine. So after that I shoot first the skip days routine, after that I shoot the present days routine video. It's literally a very dedication I have gave towards this video, and I'm feeling very good that I've completed 250 days, and it's literally a very wonderful moment for me. And yeah, so basically when I've completed day 100, on that day I'm really very happy, and 150 I'm also happy, 200 I'm also happy, and today this video gave me the happiness of day 250. Okay, so yeah guys, this is the one and another goal. So our next goal is to date 300, and after the date 300 our next goal will not, after the 300 days routine video, after that our next goal will not be date to 350. Our next goal will be day 365, because we will complete after 15 days of day 50, that is 1 year. So our next goal after the 300 days routine video will be 365. So we have completed today day 250. It's literally a very good, and yeah, so guys, I think it is enough to tell you. So let's start today's stream video without having the further delay. So basically guys, I already woke up at the here I woke up today at around 9 to 10 between. I already woke up, but I laid down to the bed, and I closed my eye. After that my mother came, and she tried to woke up me, and I just a little bit I only woke up, and after that my mother tried to wake up me, and after that I wake up. So after waking up I didn't do too much thing. I just brought my cloth, and after that the clothes means like that, after taking the bath which will I wore, after first I brought my clothes, and after that I went to the ground floor, and after that I went to the bathroom, and after that I came from the bathroom. Okay, after that I don't know why sweating happens too much. Basically cooler is on. So basically the thing is the happened that after coming from the bathroom, I washed my mouth, and after that I had taken the bath, and after that I wore the clothes, and after that I worshipped it a very proper manner, and after that I came to the first floor for attending the live class. Basically guys, today I have to join one live class, so that's why I have done very soon. So after that I joined the one of the live class where I can study. So after attended the whole class, and after that I went to the ground floor, and after that I brought what I brought food. Okay, uh, I brought food from ground floor to first floor. What I ate today? I ate today, a small soya bean plus rich gourd sabji I have taken, and with rice. After that, I brought it to the ground floor, and I also, purchased namkeen. I don't know what we call namkeen in English, guys, but in Indian we call namkeen. So it's literally when we say namkeen, then it seems like that this is something. If say something, something different name like in English, then they can't give too much utility in our mind to think about that. Okay, so it's namkeen, guys, and also water bottle I brought, okay, to the first floor, and I ate while watching the phone. And yeah guys, basically this is the thing which was actually happened today till yet. After that I didn't done too much thing. I just used my phone, and yeah, I am not done too much thing throughout the whole day after that. Okay, so after that I went to the I went to the first floor, and basically after eating the food at the first floor, After that I went to the ground floor, not first floor. I went to the ground floor. I saw my mother came, and after that I didn't do too much thing. I spent my time with my family, and after that I ate food again. And basically I spent my time with my family. So after that I didn't do too much thing. I watched the TV for a too much time. I think that maybe more than half hour I watched. Okay, so basically guys, this is a thing which was actually happened. And after that I didn't do too much thing throughout the whole day. And after watching the TV, I came to the first floor and I started studying. And after having this some time, I went to the balcony of my room side. So I went there, and after that I saw a kitten, which is I know, I think that maybe the cat's baby we call kitten, I think so. So I saw two kitten first, and after that one kitten is also looking from there. Okay, so I saw that kitten. And and after that I was just trying to playing with them, but I think that they were feeling very scared to look at not only me, to look at us, also my sister. So basically they scared because they were a kid, they all are the kitten. And they don't now they born around not happening. I don't think that they after more than 20 days happen after born of them. I don't think so. Maybe they not maybe they more than 20 days after born happen, or not before born happen. Sorry, not before happen. Maybe their birth between happens around 20 days or more or less. Okay, so after that I went to the ground floor, and I went to the shop and I purchased paneer. And after that I came home again. I went to the shop and I purchased one biscuit, one Parle-G biscuit. So what I had done, from that Parle-G biscuit there is 10 pieces of biscuit, one I ate, and the 9 Parle-G nine pieces I gave to the cat. Okay, just first I gave a 5 biscuit. And so that if you see, sorry, if kitten not ate, then the biscuit will be wasted. So I gave 5 pieces to cat, and one I ate. I saw that I don't know what she or he. So I just only that kitten is trying to eat. And after having this some time, remaining 4 biscuit I gave. Okay, so basically she was, sorry, why I'm using C, I don't know what that it is male or female. I'll tell you kitten. So I think that when I gave 4 biscuit, kitten was trying to sleep. Only one kitten was there on that time. So kitten not ate. Okay, so basically this is the thing which was actually happened. On that time I was at the ground floor after giving the cat to the 5 pieces. After that I went to the ground floor, and I spent my time with my family. And after that I ate food. That is why, so I already told you, I ate today paneer sabzi plus rice. Okay, so after that I didn't do much thing. After that I went to the bathroom, and after that I filled water in the bucket. And after that I went to the first floor and I started searching some lectures in YouTube. And after that I'm starting shooting the video. So basically guys, this is a thing which was actually happened today. I hope you will understand till here. If you didn't understand till here, then kindly please like it, because if you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a continuously manner. So guys, without having the further delay, let's start daily learning of 5 or 10 days 5 or 10 vocabulary words of continuously we learn. Okay, so today I'm going to learn only 5 vocabulary. Okay, so where we were at the last time. So our first words is first vocabulary is nephew. Nephew means, guys, bhatija. Okay, and I want to include here this example. The second word is niece. Niece means bhatiji. Bhatija is nephew. Niece is, sorry, bhatiji is niece. So आई वॉन्ट टू, मुझे अपना भतीजा और भतीजे को देखने का बड़ा मन कर रहा है. My mind wants to look on my nephew as well as niece of mine. So this we have complete. The one example is for both of them. So our third word is introduce. Introduce means, guys, परिचय देना. परिचय देना, इट मीन्स दैट इंट्रोड्यूस योर सेल्फ। सो आप अपना परिचय दीजिए। क्या तुमने अपना परिचय दिया था? हैव यू दिया था? हैड यू गेव योर इंट्रोडक्शन? या योर हैड यू इंट्रोड्यूस योर सेल्फ? या। सो आवर थर्ड वर्ड इज ऑक्यूपेशन। ऑक्यूपेशन मीन्स गाइस पेशा। आपका क्या पेशा है? व्हाट्स योर ऑक्यूपेशन? And the last and the fifth word is that is vacation. Vacation means guys छुट्टी। So तुम्हारी छुट्टियाँ कब से शुरू हो रही है? From when your vacation starts? I want to know that so that we can go for the trip and we book a ticket at a perfect time. So basically guys, this is the 5 word which we have learned today. So I think that guys it is enough for today. So yeah guys, let's end the video guys. See you Radhe. Bye bye.